Okay, we're gonna go ahead and work through example 4. You should have already tried this on the previous slide, given me your best guess. And then this is just to clarify in case you wanna check yourself, or if you're just really feeling lost on these. So this is just like example 3, a little bit different number values, but the same setup. So it reads, in 2000, Rachel paid $4,539 in Social Security tax. If the Social Security tax was 6.2%, what was her gross wages if she did not exceed the maximum taxable income? Okay, so they're giving me, in this example, her taxes paid and the percent for Social Security. You guys remember, when we look at this one, this is gonna be our income, which is whatever our income is for the year, times our percent, giving us taxes paid. And so that's, helps if you can type, taxes paid. So that's what we're gonna be plugging into on this one. Now in this example, they gave me the taxes paid, $4,539, and they gave me the percent. So they did not give me the income. We can call that whatever we want to. I'm just gonna call it X for income. And I'm gonna multiply that by my percentage, 6.2%. And I'm gonna set that equal to my taxes paid in the amount of $4,539. Okay, so just like in that previous example, this one we have to set up the equation so that we can solve it out. What we need to do is go through and divide this by 6.2%. That's how we are going to cancel out the income times the percentage. We're going to divide it off. I'm really enjoying watching my dog walk behind me repeatedly, but she's quiet. Okay, so we are going to divide this off. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to Desmos to take care of that. So I'm going to take $4,539 and I'm going to divide by my percent. Easiest way to divide by or to make that percent work is to just take the 6.2 and divide it by 100. I know we don't really like fractions and fractions, but Desmos can handle that, so we'll just leave it be. Okay, so it looks like if I paid $4,539 in taxes at 6.2%, what I actually earned was $73,209 and then 0.677 cents. I'm going to go ahead and write that in, 73,209. I got to tell myself what it is, otherwise I won't remember. 73,209.677, and I know there was more decimals, but we don't need more there. We are going to round this off though. This says round it to the nearest dollar. So I'm going to look at this ones place, the 9, and I'm going to look next to it. You guys, that is a 6. So since it's bigger than 5, it should make this round up. But I'm just going to type this in. So when I go to type in this answer, it's still going to be 73,000. It's still going to be 200. This is $9. So the next number after 9 is actually going to round up. 9 becomes a 0 and that 0 becomes a 1. After 9 comes 10. So $73,210 is the answer I'm looking for if that's how it asks you to round it. It didn't say round this off and make it 68 cents. We're going to round the 67 and change up to an even $10. Okay, so $73,210, final answer.